Hi everyone, I'm Ujjwal and you're watching DigitWise. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix double click on window title bar doing wrong action on Mac. So if double clicking on a window is minimizing it when you expect it to fill the screen or it's zoom instead of minimizing, this feature itself is not broken. macOS allows you to customize what happens when you double click on Windows title bar. So the current setting may be simply not match your preference, or maybe when you double click on any Windows title bar, nothing happens. So maybe you have set the action to nothing. So don't worry. Fortunately, changing it only take a few minutes, and to do so, click on the Apple logo and choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, go to desktop and dock, and here click on the drop down menu right to window title bar double click action. And from here, choose the option you actually want, such as fill, zoom, minimize, or if you want no action, then you can choose that as well. And that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.